Hey guys, how you all doing? Vimal here, back with a new video, and today I have something very interesting to show you all. Day 2 in Taipei city. I mean, look at the weather over here guys. Absolutely lovely looking city. It's actually raining right now. So today's plan was actually go to visit like electronics market, tech areas in Taipei city, but unfortunately, as you people can see, the weather right now is not that good looking. So I didn't want to take a risk. That's why I'm actually standing outside my hotel, and I thought I'll show you something that I recently bought in Hong Kong airport. Now you people know, right, if you want to come to like Taipei, right, you'll have to go through like a connecting flight. You'll have to stop somewhere, maybe like Bangkok, Singapore or Hong Kong, depends on the type and airlines that you choose. So my particular stop was in Hong Kong, and I had around like 3 to 4 hours layover guys, and in that meantime only I was like checking out different gadget stores, tech stores over there, and found something very interesting guys, which I've never seen before in Indian market. This is like a super portable air conditioner guys. I mean, literally you can carry this in your pocket and take it anywhere. And I'm telling you, right, price is also like super affordable, hardly around like 2000 rupees. So it's based on a brand new sort of technology. They're calling it as thermoelectric cooler based semiconductor guys, and basically has like a frost chip on board and can offer like really cool wind coming out of it. So I'm going to unbox and show you and basically talk about this product in this video. So let me actually go there. You people can see that, my dad is sitting over there. So he's only having that air cooler. And by the way, check out the city. Lot of greenery, right? Oh, looks like the rain has stopped a bit. Maybe we can actually go visit that electronics market later after, doing this video. So this is the packet that I wanted to show you all, and ta-da! This is the item I was talking about. Look at this folding refrigeration fan, basically like air conditioning fan in your pocket guys. I've told you, right, brand new technology, never seen this before. So there are actually two reasons I bought this product. First one is it's a new kind of technology guys. I've never seen this before, so obviously I had to make a video on it. Second is, I mean, look at the scene over here. It looks lovely, right? I mean, check out the weather. There is no sun, nothing like that. But to be honest, in both Hong Kong and Taiwan as well, it is quite humid, guys. I mean, even if there is no sun, right, you'll definitely feel quite sweaty. And especially if you're like walking, exploring, you'll definitely feel the sweat coming out. So I wanted like a portable fan, and this was like the main reason. Anyway, so this is the folding refrigeration fan I was talking about. This fan is available in like multiple color variants. They had like yellow, blue, pink, multiple colors were there. I went ahead and bought the blue color because blue was looking like lovely. So let me just quickly open it and show you. Plenty of stuff on the inside. And good thing is, so the store guy over there even offered me like 1 year warranty on this product. So he said next year in case I come for like one more international trip and something happens to the fan in between, I can come over here, get it replaced and get like a brand new piece here. So 1 year warranty with this product, and we'll tell you about the pricing details as well in a moment. So this is the fan I was talking about, portable AC fan. So along with that in the packet, we also got like a neck strap. So basically you can hook it up over here and place this fan like this. You can even fold it like this, and with this lanyard you can get AC like fan, wind blowing every time wherever you're walking. Very convenient, I would say. I'll even install this lanyard and show you in a moment. First of all, let me give you like a closer look and show you how this product looks like. So main highlight is it's got a folding design, fully foldable, and quality of the product is also very good. Check out the build quality, entirely made of like polycarbonate material, but feels quite solid and durable. Has built-in battery. You can easily charge it anywhere using a Type-C port, and the guy said that this fan will offer you around like 3 to 4 hours of battery backup per charge. So you've got some slots over here. This is where you'll need to install your lanyard. There's a tiny display as well that shows you the current fan speed, and you can even toggle on or off this thermoelectric cooler. So once you enable this, right, you'll get like a display. Let me just show you. So there you go. You got a tiny LED display, white LED display, shows you the current battery level, fan speed 40, 60, 80, 100. This is a max speed. And I'm telling you, right, before buying, I actually had like a small demo at his store and was quite impressed with the overall performance with. I mean, the fan is actually fast. You can literally feel the wind blowing on your face. I mean, check it out. Can you hear it in the mic? And if you enable the thermoelectric cooler, right, you'll get a tiny star over here. Check it out. There's a frost symbol, and you can already check out that the thermoelectric frost plate getting chilled like this, and there's moisture forming on the top surface. I mean, look at this. The plate can cool down to around like 4-5 degrees centigrade, guys. And whenever you're feeling a lot of heat while you're traveling, exploring, simply place it like this. You're gonna feel very nice. It's like super chill. Or obviously just turn it on, put the fan to like max blast mode, and enjoy cool breeze coming out of it like this. Not only that, since you're getting like a folding design, you can easily place it anywhere on the surface, or maybe you're working with your laptop, use it in this position. Pretty handy, right? Let me just quickly install this strap and I'll show you. Oh, there's a tiny snail. Hello. So my dad is helping out installing that neck strap to the cooler. So guys, this is how our AC fan looks like. So let me just put it on my neck and show you. I mean, look at this. How convenient is this? Even if you're holding a camera, you're checking out your phone, you don't need to worry about this. Leave it over here, turn on the fan like this. Ta-da! I think the wind is blowing into the mic, right? So let me just quickly turn it off. But I'm telling you, right, it is super good. I mean, check out the wind intensity. You can literally see it's hitting my hair, and I'm actually enjoying it, especially if you enable that thermoelectric cooler stack, guys. I mean, it's pretty awesome. Very useful gadget, especially for like traveling purpose. So as I've told you guys, this portable AC fan roughly costed me around like 2000 rupees. So we had cheaper models also, but as I've told you, this particular thermoelectric chip was not available. So you won't get that AC sort of feel. Again, it would become like a normal blower fan. Those sort of fans are already available in Indian market, so it didn't make any sense. This was something new. That is the reason I bought it, and I wanted to show you all in this video. If this product actually comes to Indian market, right, I think it would definitely be a hit, considering the heat that we get in India, especially in like Hyderabad or somewhere else, right? It's like super hot, and whenever you're traveling, maybe on your bike, scooter, right, you can simply wear this in traffic and can definitely be like super useful. Let's see, hope something like this comes into that market also. If you ask about the battery life, now the store guy told me that this will easily last around like 3.5 hours, depending on the fan speed that you set. But again, I'm not sure. I'll have to use it. I'll let you people know. I'll use it for like 2 to 3 days during my travel for Computex, right? So in my next video, let me know about the battery life. And so that is pretty much it. Weather seems to have cleared up. We'll go and visit, some nice places over here, maybe like tech market, street shopping, something like that. And I'll catch you all in my next video.